These are the elevators serving the office side at Parking Orange. I believe that's Uber or something. See, the elevator had door issues last time.
Basement. Going up.
There's the other car across the way.
Going up.
The lights burn out. There's no lights.
4th floor. Going down.
See, they're making some progress on these buildings.
Going down.
It's really over level.
Going down.
This one does have an early brake release.
Basement.
And let's
Going up.
switch cars on too. You can get a view out. Yeah, you can. The belts. It's really far.
2nd floor.
Classic leveling.
Going down. Going down.
Are you serious?
Going down. Going up.
It's the other elevator. See that one's running.
Going up.
I pressed up.
Fourth floor.
Is
Going
the other
down.
car up here yet? I don't think so. It's another one.
First floor. Going up.